Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashif Javed. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I recently completed level 1 training and it has been very valuable learning experience for me. During this course, I learned how to improve this course. I learned how to improve my communication, presentation and teaching approach, especially how to explain idea in the clear and confident way. This training has gently improved my confidence. Now I feel more comfortable while speaking, teaching, and sharing my thoughts with others. It also helped me become more organized and professional in my teaching style. My favorite part of this course was the practical learning and step-by-step guidance which made complex concepts very easy to understand. My favorite part of this course was ChatGPT, Canva, etc. etc. I plan to use this learning in my teaching, professional work and daily life, especially to communicate better with students and colleagues. For new students joining level 1, my message is stay constant, trust the process and actively participate this course. This course will truly help you grow personally and professionally. And last thing, special thank with Ms. Kesar and dear Moin Khan to thanks to learn me. Thank you for Rehan School for this amazing teacher teaching opportunity. Thank you so much for Rehan Foundation and TEPTA Punjab.